Hello, welcome back to our series about safe and reliable work from home job search websites. My name is Ann Novak. I am the head of the Career Center at the East Baton Rouge Parish Library. And today I want to introduce you to this website right here, remoteplanet.io. Before we take a look, I will make myself disappear so that we can see the entire website. Now let's start to take a look. As the title indicates, this is much more than just a job search website. It really is an entire community and resource for digital nomads. So for people who really make the remote life their lifestyle, that want to travel around the world and that want to be free and flexible to work from anywhere in the world. Now, for most of you, that is probably not what you're looking for, but don't run yet. This website has a wealth of information and resources for you as well. So if we scroll down, we can see the links to the different parts of this website. Here you see the travel planning and the flights and so on. So that's for the digital nomad traveler group. And since I suppose most of you watching this do not belong into this group, we will not spend any more time on this. We will focus instead on the two links that are the most useful for us, which will be the remote companies and the remote jobs. So let's start here. We click on remote jobs, and what you will see is a whole site filled with links to other job boards that concentrate on remote jobs. So now we can scroll down and just see the links to all these different job boards. Some of them we will feature in their own videos, like Angel List, for example, or like remotejobs. So these will get their own videos featuring how they work. But then you see links to lots of others: Code Stunts, Authentic Jobs, HackerX, Crypto Jobs. So what you also see from this is a heavy emphasis on tech jobs. Now again, don't worry, you do not have to be a techie to make this website work for you. I just want to alert you to the fact that most of these job boards and many of the companies that we'll see featured shortly on a different tab are in fact in the technology sector. But for example, let's take a look right here, higheredjobs.com. This is the website mostly used to fill jobs in higher education. And if you click on this, it leads you directly to their website. We can do this real quick. It leads you to Higher Ed Jobs, and it already has set the filter online and remote jobs in higher education. So you can go right there. We will not do this because that's not what this video is about, but I just wanted to show you how it links directly to the websites. And now you can scroll down and look at all the other job boards it links you to. So that is one way to use Remote Planet. And now let's look at the other, and to me really the most valuable part of this website, and that's behind this tab, Remote Companies. What you will see here is a list of dozens and dozens and dozens. Here it says an amazing list of more than 1,000. And yes, if you start scrolling down, it is definitely a huge number of remote companies. So all of these companies featured here are organizations that either work entirely remotely or have a heavy focus on that. Many of those are small, and most people have probably never heard of them. So that's why I think this is the most valuable part of this website, because those are organizations most of us would probably never come across if it wasn't for remoteplanet.io. So let's take a look. So for each company, they get the little rectangle, and you get the gist of what they do. Of how many employees they have. This one, I done this in Las Vegas, 1 to 10 employees, and what they do. You also see that not all of the companies featured here are actually in the US. Here you have London, here you have Spain, I came across things in South Africa, here, Australia. So they're really all over the world because after all, if they work remotely, it doesn't matter where you are and where your company is. That's the beauty of it all. So now we can scroll down, we can pick a company. Today I will pick TeamSnap. So that's an online sports team management software based in Boulder, Colorado, and it's actually fairly large compared to some of these others. So let's click on TeamSnap. Again, it links me directly to their careers page because here you see our current openings. So we click on current openings, we find one job that we could apply from right here. But we don't want to do that right now. We want to go back to remoteplanet. I just wanted to show you how easy they make it for you. You click on the company that interests you, you look at the jobs they have open, and you apply directly on that website. So let's go back to the home page. So we just checked out remote companies and remote jobs. Here you see a link to job boards, which is very similar to the job tab. Again, it links you to other job boards that concentrate on remote opportunities. And again, you would just click on it and it would get you directly to that website. Now, the only other thing we have not explored yet are the tools. So you could click on tools, and really what this is, these are links to apps and tools that help you be more efficient in your work from home or digital nomad lifestyle. And that pretty much covers remoteplanet.io. I hope you learned a lot. I hope you find a good job using this website. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Until next time.